Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our history series. Today's story is about Florence Nightingale, the founder of modern nursing. Her work saved many lives and shaped the nursing profession. Florence Nightingale was born on May 12, 1820, in Florence, Italy, to a wealthy British family. Her father, William Edward Nightingale, was a scholar, and her mother, Frances Nightingale, encouraged her to learn. As a young girl, Florence studied languages, music, and drawing. But she felt a strong desire to help the sick and poor. In 1853, when Florence was 33, she decided to become a nurse, a radical choice at a time when nursing was seen as low-status work for untrained women. Her family objected, but Florence insisted that nursing was her calling. In 1854, the Crimean War broke out between Russia and an alliance of Britain, France, and the Ottoman Empire. Reports came back that British soldiers were dying in large numbers from infection and poor hospital conditions. Florence wrote to the government and offered to lead a team of nurses to the camp. In October 1854, Florence and 38 volunteer nurses landed at Scutari in modern-day Turkey. The hospital was overcrowded and filthy. Supplies were low, sanitation was almost non-existent, and soldiers suffered from typhus, cholera, and gangrene. Nightingale worked tirelessly. She cleaned the wards, organized supplies, and insisted on proper ventilation and hygiene. She kept meticulous records of patient numbers, illnesses, and death rates, using statistics to prove that better care saved lives. Within 6 months, the death rate dropped from 42% to 2%. Soldiers called her the lady with the lamp, because she made rounds at night carrying a lamp. Her gentle manner brought comfort to the wounded. News of her success reached Britain, and fundraising efforts improved hospital conditions. After the war, Florence returned to England in 1856. She wrote detailed reports for the government, emphasizing sanitation and nurse training. In 1860, she established the Nightingale Training School for Nurses at St. Thomas' Hospital in London. This school set high standards for nursing education. Florence Nightingale also wrote books on healthcare management and hospital design. She advised hospitals and governments around the world. Her use of statistics laid the foundation for modern public health. In her later years, Florence continued to work on health reform, even though she suffered from chronic illness. She lived quietly at her home in London, but her influence grew. On May 12, 1910, Florence Nightingale died at age 90. Today, her birthday is celebrated as International Nurses' Day. Her legacy is clear. Florence Nightingale turned nursing into a respected profession. She showed that compassion, training, and good management could save lives. Millions of nurses today follow her example, caring for patients around the world. Thank you for listening. Please share your thoughts in the comments. What do you admire most about Florence Nightingale? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next episode.